The biggest sacrifice on board for me, that I miss my dogs very much. 7 months is so long to be away from them. No? But in the other hand, every day we wake up in a different place. Today in Spain, morning in France, who does that? No? When I have my hard times on board, that we are very tired or something, I don't go to sleep. I love when I go outside the ship. I can walk and I see all the different people walking around. Or we go on excursions with people. I'm always learning something new, because with excursions you had the excellent opportunity to learn so much more from the culture, from the places where we are at.